Okay, we're here at 2400 West Alhambra Road. All right, let's go. It's hot and I need to put on the AC. Welcome to Living in Los Angeles, my YouTube real estate channel, your ultimate guide to all things real estate in the City of Angels. I'm your host, Victoria Munoz, a licensed realtor with years of experience in the LA market. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in LA real estate, this channel will provide you with insider tips, market updates, and exclusive property tours. Join me as we explore the vibrant neighborhoods, stunning properties, and exciting opportunities that LA has to offer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Let's embark on this real estate journey together. Let's take a quick look at where we're going today at 2400 West Alhambra Road, Alhambra, California, 91803. It's listed by Lisa Wang of Realty Masters and Associates. This home has 2 units on 1 lot, so the lot size is huge. It's over 11,000 square feet. The house was built in 1922 and it's a Spanish style home. In case you're wondering where Alhambra is located, if we look at the map, centrally located in between El Sereno, Northeast LA, and San Gabriel Valley, some parts of City Terrace, East LA, over by Cal State LA, Monterey Park, San Gabriel, and it's adjacent to San Marino. So if you're familiar with Alhambra, you know it goes as far as those borders. Okay, we're here at 2400 West Alhambra Road in the city of Alhambra. Lots of traffic, so these windows in this home, I'm hoping they're double pane. I doubt it though, because it's a 1922 Spanish style home. It's 2 units on 1 lot. It does have beautiful curb appeal. It is a corner unit, as you can see, so I can't wait to see the inside. So if you cross the street, you'll be in South Pasadena. So this is the street that divides the 2 cities. I'm with Compass. How are you?
Good.
Can I just take off my shoes?
Yeah, no problem.
Easier?
Yes, easier.
Thank you. I could take a video for my buyers that cannot make it.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you for shooting video.
Yeah, you're welcome. It helps.
Yeah.
It always helps. So you always need to ask for permission. I like to email the listing agents or text them to let them know I'm coming to do a video. And these agents were so super nice, very professional. They allowed me to film. So I just had to take my shoes off and I want to show you this beautiful home for sale. Alhambra is a great neighborhood if you're not familiar with Alhambra and its location. It's adjacent to South Pasadena, and both Alhambra and South Pasadena have some of the best school ratings if you have children, if you're concerned with moving out of a school district. So let's take a look at the property. So the kitchen, it says here, I grabbed this note of upgrades, which is really handy. I love when listing agents do this because usually when you write an offer, you have to wait for the seller's disclosures. But okay, let's read what it says. It says front unit kitchen with 2 pantries, farm sink, new stainless steel appliances, and self-closing cabinets. Oh, they're soft close. I love those. I actually have a toilet seat. that does that. It's very quiet and helpful. Okay, let's continue with the tour. This is the first bedroom. It's staged as a home office. The lights are on in here, but there is plenty of natural lighting. I was gonna open the window, but I decided not to. We will go outside in just a moment, but take a look at this bathroom. It looks like it has newer floors and a newer shower with newer lighting. If you were to write an offer on this home or any home, the listing agent has 7 days to exchange the seller disclosure information, whether there was modifications, any unpermitted or permitted work on the property. Lots of natural lighting in here. You don't need the lights on. It's very cool in here. This unit, the front unit, has central AC and heating. I like this room. I would work in here if I lived here. I would keep it as a home office. Just something about, being able to see the traffic. Lighting fixtures, I don't know if those are original, but this room is perfect for either a bedroom or home office. So let's check out the rest of the house. So I also want to mention that this house and the house in the back, the unit in the back, it has new roof on both units. So this restroom, the second bedroom suite, has direct access to the bathroom, which is really nice. You don't have to go into the hallway. You go straight from your shower to your bedroom. Here's the closet. I thought it was a skeleton key. I thought that was pretty cool. So again, there's central AC and heating, and you have your ceiling fans, original windows, I believe. Lighting fixtures look original, and we'll go outside in just a moment. There's a gazebo and a patio outside and a jacuzzi. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Okay, we're going to the second unit. I have my shoes off, so she recommended I put my shoes back on so I could get a better video. Oh, well, this is nice. I love Spanish style homes because they always have charm and character. So barbecue pit. We have a sink. I don't know if that's a refrigerator, but I'm pretty sure this may be a stove, like an oven. I'm not sure. Gazebos. Let's take a look over here really quick. So there's another entrance from the street. There's a jacuzzi. See how big this home is. 11,088 square feet. The house living space size is 2,024 square feet. So here we go, the back of the entrance unit, or excuse me, the entrance of the back unit. This back unit is 1 bedroom, one bathroom with 420 square feet of living space. The back unit was remodeled fully in 2019. The back unit has a gourmet kitchen with off-white cabinets. It also has a washer and dryer. I would say this would rent out for at least $2,000 because its location adjacent to South Pasadena, and you have your own entrance and exit, and there is a detached garage right next door. So this backyard is huge. It's a great sized backyard with patio, gazebo, barbecue, and spa. It's very spacious for being a back unit. Good closet space. I mean, it's small, but you have your laundry included, and then you have is it a full shower? Yeah, you have a bathtub. So full shower, laundry. Okay, and then that is the garage. Let's see. The garage is detached and it's room for 2 cars with an electric car charger. So this has a regular water heater. Okay, so let me go say goodbye to the agents and thank them. Okay, that's the end of the video. People don't know what they're missing when they don't look at Alhambra. I love Alhambra. Where Alhambra is, it's located centrally between South Pa, El Sereno, San Gabriel, and Monterey Park. So if you haven't looked into Alhambra, you don't know what you're missing. So come check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel where I bring you buyer property tours. In case you're looking to move to LA or you need help selling your home. There's also 2 videos I would like to share with you.
Most families who find us just need an impartial system to create a division of personal property after losing a loved one. The good news is that we have that system.
The decision to move was the hardest decision. But once it was made, the thing that was most challenging for us was getting our house ready to sell.
Concierge helps the homeowner maximize the value of their home by fronting the cost of home improvement services like staging, painting, flooring.
The idea that I could have concierge help with this work so I didn't have to pay out of pocket just made it a no-brainer.
This transformation has been remarkable.
It's turnkey. You just walk in and it's all done.
We were floored getting as many offers as we did and an offer over asking.
I would love for the new homeowner, when they walk in for the first time, to feel this is home.
Here's my information for you to contact me for help selling or buying real estate. Now we're gonna do the drive around. People that are home buying, they go to the trendy up and coming area. The adjacent neighborhood, like El Sereno, it's becoming expensive. So I don't know why people don't consider Alhambra. Alhambra has their own police department, their own fire department. Used to be Pioneer Chicken. Yum Yum Donuts has been there for a while, but I remember Pioneer Chicken. We used to go there. I think it was a Pioneer Chicken. Yeah, I remember it was a Pioneer Chicken. Then it was a Popeyes. Popeyes, I don't know what happened. They moved to